Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile market where some investors have made significant profits, while others have experienced substantial losses. This market can see sharp price fluctuations within days or even hours, often catching traders off guard. As a result, crypto trading carries substantial risks and is not advisable for those without experience. But what if I told you that you can earn while you sleep and make your money work for you? It's not a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool that's worth exploring. Stay until the end of the video to discover 3 amazing methods for generating passive income with cryptocurrency. But before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell to stay always updated on new and engaging content. You're likely familiar with bank deposits, where you open an account, deposit your money, and earn a fixed annual interest. Now let me introduce you to crypto staking. Staking is similar to bank deposit. You lock up some of your cryptocurrency in a special digital wallet, and you get rewards in return. It's like helping the network run smoothly, and they pay you for it. How it works: you choose a cryptocurrency that uses POS, proof of stake consensus mechanism, and transfer it to a staking-compatible wallet. You go to the crypto exchange and open an account. After opening an account, you either buy or transfer a crypto to your exchange wallet. Then you go to Earn and then Staking. Here you can see all cryptos you can stake with their estimated annual percentage rates. You choose your favorite crypto, click Stake, and follow the instructions. Check my description below for a registration link to one of the leading crypto exchanges, Gate Exchange. Now let's move to the second method that can generate a passive income for us, and it's called yield farming. Yield farming is a more complex strategy than staking, but same time can offer significantly higher returns. Imagine a digital marketplace where people can easily swap different cryptocurrencies. This marketplace needs a stock of crypto to make these swaps happen smoothly. This stock is called a liquidity pool. Yield farming is like being a stock contributor to this marketplace. You put your crypto into these pools, and in return, you get a share of the fees the marketplace charges when people swap crypto. It's like getting paid for helping the marketplace run smoothly. Here are some examples of DeFi platforms. Aave, known for lending and borrowing. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that lets you swap different crypto directly with others. Compound, similar to Aave, Compound focuses on lending and borrowing. Curve, specializes in efficient swapping of stablecoins and offers pools with low fees. PancakeSwap offers a variety of DeFi services, including swapping, yield farming, and even some fun gamified elements. How it works: first, select a DeFi platform such as PancakeSwap, for example. Then, navigate to the Earn section and choose Farm or Liquidity. From there, you can select any trading pair that interests you. Some options offer APRs exceeding 1,000%, but be aware that such coins are generally considered high risk. Method number 3, dividend-paying tokens. You're likely familiar with dividend-paying stocks. If not, be sure to watch my first video for an explanation. Dividend-paying tokens offer the same benefits as dividend-paying stocks. Some cryptocurrencies are designed to distribute rewards to their holders. It works quite simple. You just need to purchase these special tokens and keep them in your crypto wallet. The project behind the tokens will distribute rewards at regular intervals, like weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Here are top 5 dividend-paying tokens. KuCoin token, KCS. This is the native token of the KuCoin exchange. KCS holders often receive a portion of the exchange's trading fees as a reward. AscendX, ASD, the native token of the AscendX exchange. ASD holders can receive quarterly airdrops as rewards. NEO, NEO. NEO generates gas tokens, which are used for transaction fees on the NEO blockchain. Holding NEO can generate gas as a reward. CRO, Chronos, the token of the Crypto.com exchange. CRO holders can get benefits like staking rewards and cashback on purchases. Huobi token, HT. This token is associated with the Huobi exchange. HT holders can get discounts on trading fees and participate in platform events. In addition to these 3 methods, there are many other valuable ways to earn money from crypto. I'll be creating more content on this topic, so be sure to subscribe and stay updated. This was top 3 tips. Thanks for watching.